ASML has exploded higher plus 9.53% to $1,899.48, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Friday, June 12th, and this is your complete global market briefing. The bulls are firmly in the driving seat today across most major markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 climbed plus 1.75% to $7,394.30. Equity markets are responding to reports that markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 surged plus 3.29% to $29,446 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by GOT $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again, the motley fool. Dow Jones is up plus 1.86%, trading at $50,849. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. DAX is up plus 1.91%, trading at $24,672. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 is up plus 1.25%, trading at $10,433. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. ASML surged plus 9.53% to $1,899.48 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SK Hynix Place's record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. Samsung surged plus 7.86% to $322,500 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. LVMH made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.17% to $518.70. Investor sentiment is being shaped by China sales hold up as European luxury brands warn of Iran war impact, South China Morning Post. HSBC surged plus 3.75% to $1,371.40 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that assessing HSBC, LSE, SPA, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simplewald St. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $86.81 per barrel, down 3.95% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. WTI crude plunged to $84.05 per barrel, down 4.17% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Natural gas dipped to $3.06, down 0.75% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold surged to $4,245 per troy ounce, up 3.78% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by Goldman Sachs cuts 2027 oil price estimate on demand uncertainty. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us give you our near-term view on ASML. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for ASML sits around $2,013.45. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.45% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.44% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.06, losing 0.29% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Europe sells weapons, which are used to attack India, says Ian J. Shankar, calls out US's double standards on Russian oil purchase, Deccan Herald. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.